ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, good. We're with the Laundromat in Hicksville.
Yep.
There's the Broadway malls at the end.
Yep.
Just by the train tracks right over here. By the train tracks.
Yep.
And this is a Glasco. This is a snack. That looks like Crane snack machine. Looks like that.
Yep.
At that one, we got a Coke machine right over here. We
Yep.
got this Coke. It's down 25. And then pretzel is A0. Right, A0. That's 75. And then A2. That's 75.
Yeah.
That's party mix. And then A4. That shows okay.
Doritos. Yeah.
A6. That's 75.
Chips.
And then it's fruit snacks is BO. Fruit snacks is our.
How much are they?
It's $1.50.
Okay.
And then what's that one?
Veggie straws? I don't know what those are. Some kind of snack.
That's $1.50.
Yeah.
And then those again, it's like cheddar, like Vigi's like cheddar.
Yep. They're probably the same thing, right?
That's $1.50.
Yeah.
Now so let's do something different. Let's try F. Let's try F. FO. That's $1.50.
Pop Tarts are $1.50.
That's $1.50.
Yeah. Pop Tarts are $1.50 too.
And F6.
What's F6?
That's the
Combos?
and that's Fabos. And F. That's $1.50. And how much the starters is E6. Is E6. That's
So
$1.50.
Okay. What else?
And these are EO.
EO? E0?
That's a
The
Butterfinger.
How much a Butterfinger?
$1.50.
Okay.
That's $1.50. And then Twizzlers is E4.
Twizzlers E4?
E4.
$1.50.
And Musketeers is E5. That's $1.50.
Alright.
This one is
Mentos?
That's so good.
Alright, what do you think?
Now we'll do over here. That's a CO.
What's CO?
That's a cookies.
Fudge Stripes? Okay.
That's $1.50.
Yeah, cookies are all $1.50.
And then C4. C4. That's $1.50.
Yeah.
And then C6.
Those are Knott's Berry Farm cookies. They're $1.50 too, right?
Yeah. And then D7 is Oreos. D7. $1.50.
Alright.
And then D5.
What's that? Big Newtons?
Yeah. And then D4. That's
The Hershey's chocolate bar?
This is vanilla.
Vanilla chocolate, yeah.
Yeah. And then D1.
White chocolate, right?
And that's M&M's.
M&M's, how much M&M's?
That's $1.50. And then D-O. That's an Oreo M&M's.
Regular M&M's.
That's another one.
Alright, so now what?
And that's Reese's Buttercups. It's E3. $1.50.
Alright, I think you got just about everything.
Okay.
So what you get?
So how much? So some veggies. E6. That's $1.50. Okay. So 6 of those some flats. Fix that one. That's $1. Let's fix the old nice and flats. Fix that one. Okay,
Right,
we're
$2.
good.
So what you gonna get?
How's YouTube? We're gonna stay. We're gonna get that. Okay, we're good. Now we'll go get a pretzel.
Okay.